My name's Sunflower, and this is my strange addiction. Hey. How you doing? It started when I took a sip of my drink, and I just said, I like nature and I want to talk to trees and rocks and other sorts of nature. And they said they're my friends. I got lots of songs on here. I think you'd like them. Sometimes I like to talk to things like nature, and they respond and they tell me what they like. People think I'm weird because I talk to nature, but I think it's a gift. God's gift He gave to me. It's a gift. This is where the magic happens. You see right here, this is my friend Woody. He's been for a while. How you doing, Wood? Nah, I haven't seen the premiere on Drake and Josh yet. Yeah, it's over. You're retarded. Yeah, Woody's got some problems. Not me, though. I'm not strange. I got kicked out of school because I stole all the plants that were in the front of the school, and I knew it wasn't right for them to be there in the freezing cold weather, so I picked them up and took them home and put them in warm weather so they're happy. Some people think being able to talk to nature isn't right or cool, but to me it's a talent, it's a gift, God's gift, you know, as I said earlier. And, you know, gifts are good and they're cool, like a birthday gift, and you wrap wrapping paper all over the gifts, and that's what I think nature is like, God's gift.